Good morning to all. Today we are going to study about the another problem on exponential distribution. That is, the kilometer run C in a thousands of kms without any sort of problems. The kilometer run bracket in thousands of kms without any sort of problem in respect in respect of a certain vehicle is a random variable having PDF. Sort of a problem in respect to a certain vehicle is a random having PDF. What is the f of x which is equal to 1 divided by 40, which is in the 1 divided by 40 e to the power of minus x divided by 40, x is greater than or equal to 0. If it is 0 means which is in the interval x is less than or equal to 0. Find the probability that the vehicle trouble free. Find the probability that the vehicle trouble free. First one, at least for 25,000 kilometer, at most for 25,000 kms, between 16,000 to 32,000 kms, between 16,000 to 32,000 kms. Here x is the random variable representing the kilometer in multiples of thousands. If it is 25,000 means you have to, this is the multiple of 1000. 1000 means 25 into 1000. Next, multiples of 1000 regarding the trouble free run by the vehicle. First, what is the first one given? At least given. It is the multiple of 1000. That means 25 into 1000. That's why we have to take to find p of x is greater than or equal to 25. At least 25,000 means you have to multiple of 1000. That means you have to take only 25. P of x is greater than or equal to 25. P of x is greater than or equal to 25 means 1 minus p of x is less than 25. 1 minus p of x is less than 25. That is 1 minus, this is x is less than 25 means here left hand side is, what is left hand side? That is up to 0. That is interval goes to 0 to 25. That is interval goes to 0 to 25. Here 20. Why we have to take p of x is less than 25 means if it is greater than or equal to 25 means this goes to up to infinity. That's why we have to take 1 minus p of x is less than 25. We know that in place of f of x, p of x is less than 25 means what is the f of x? 1 divided by 40 e to the power of x divided by 40, e to the power of x divided by 40. That is px is less than 25 means we have to take 0 to 25, 1 divided by 40, f of x is 1 divided by 40 e to the power of minus x divided by 40 dx. We know 1 by 40 is take it outside, 1 divided by 40 is take it outside. What is remaining? Integration of e to the power of x minus x divided by 40 is e to the power of minus 1 divided by e to the power of x divided by 40 divided by minus 1 divided by 40. Here 40 get cancelled, minus into minus plus 1 plus e to the power of minus 1 divided by 40 into x. Interval is 0 to 25. That is minus into minus plus e to the power of minus 1 divided by 40 into x, 0 to 25. Next, again here upper limit and lower limit. What is the upper limit? 25 is there. That's why 1 plus upper limit is in place of x is 25. That is e to the power of minus 25 divided by 40. 5 1s are 5 8. This is e to the power of minus 5 divided by 8 minus lower limit is 0. E to the power of 0. That is e to the power of minus 5 divided by 8 minus e to the power of 0 is 1. E to the power of 0 is 1. Next, again this is here 1 get cancelled, e to the power of minus 5 divided by 8 is, what is remaining? E to the power of minus 5 divided by 8. P of x is greater than or equal to 25 means 0.555333. This is the value of e to the power of minus 5 divided by. Second one, to find p of x is less than or equal to 25. To find p of x is less than or equal to 25 means we have to take 0 to here p of x is less than or equal to 25 means this is your interval is 0 to 25. Again we have to take 0 to 25. 1 divided by 40 e to the power of minus x divided by 40 dx. We know that what is the f of x? 1 divided by 40 e to the power of minus x divided by 40 dx. 1 divided by 40, take it outside, integration of e to the power of minus x divided by 40, 1 divided by 40 e to the power of x is again e to the power of x divided by 1, that is e minus e to the power of minus x divided by 40. This is minus 1 divided by 40 e to the power of minus x divided by 40 divided by minus 1 divided by 40, that is 0 to 25. Here 40 40 get cancelled. What is the remaining? Here minus is remaining. Minus is remaining means what? E to the power of minus x divided by 40, 0 to 25. Again minus e to the power of, in place of x is 25 means minus 25 divided by 40, minus 25 divided by 40, minus lower limit is e to the power of 0, that is minus the 5 5s are 5 8s are minus e to the power of minus 5 divided by 8, e to the power of 0 is minus 1. Here minus into minus plus, that is 1 minus e to the power of minus 5 divided by 8, that is 1 minus e to the power of minus 5 divided by 8 is 0.533. The answer is 0.4697. Third one is, what is third one? Third one is to find p of this is the lies between 16,000 to 32,000. This is the multiple of 1000 means we have to take p of 16 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 32. That is the interval lies between 16 to 32. 16 to 32 means you have to take f of x 1 divided by 40 e to the power of minus x divided by 40 into dx. We know that 1 by 40 is, take it outside, e to the power of minus x divided by 40 means e to the power of minus x divided by 40 divided by minus 1 divided by 40. The interval is 1632. Here 40 40 get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus e to the power of minus x divided by 40. This is upper limit minus lower limit. In place of upper limit is 16. 16 means 16 divided by 40. 16 divided by 40 means 4 4s are 16. 4. The answer is upper limit and lower limit. The minus e to the power of minus 4 divided by 5 plus e to the power of minus 2 divided by 5. The answer is 0.2221. By calculating this, you have to get 0.221. Another problem on exponential distribution is, if x is an exponential variate with mean is 3 and find p of x is greater than 1, second one p of x is less than 3. P of x is greater than 1, p of x is less than 3. The PDF of the exponential distribution is given by, we know that what is the condition for exponential distribution? F of x which is equal to alpha e to the power of minus alpha x, which is in the interval 0 to infinity. Next 0 otherwise. By data mean is given as 3. Mean is given as 3. What is the formula for exponential mean for exponential distribution? Mean which is equal to 1 by alpha, which is equal to 3. Here alpha is 1 divided by 3. Alpha is 1 divided by 3. Next, is 1 by divided by 3. Hence f of x which is equal to 1 by 3. In place of alpha is 1 by 3 e to the power of minus x by 3. That is 0 to x, 0 to infinity, 0 otherwise. We know that first one is given as 1 p of x is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means you have to take up to infinity values. That's why you have to take 1 minus p of x is less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1 means you have to take value is 0 to 1, because here less than means up to 0 only. 1 minus interval is 0 to 1 f of x dx. F of x is known as 1 divided by 3 e to the power of minus x by 3 dx. This is 1 by 3 is, take it outside. Integration of e to the power of minus x by 3 is e to the power of minus x by 3 minus 1 by 3. Here 3 get cancelled, minus into minus plus. E to the power of minus x by 3 interval is 0 to 1. That is 1 plus e to the power of x value is minus 1 by 3 minus e to the power of 0. 1 plus e to the power of minus 1 by 3 minus 1. This one get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Answer is e to the power of minus 1 by 3. Next, second one. What is second one? P of x is less than 3. P of x is less than 3 means this goes to interval 0 to 3. 0 to 3 f of x. This is 0 to 3 means f of x is, what is f of x? 1 by 3 e to the power of minus x by 3 dx. Here 1 by 3 is take it outside, integration of e to the power of minus x by 3 e to the power of minus x by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 1 by 3 get cancelled, answer is 0 to 3. This is minus e to the power of minus x by 3 interval is 0 to 3. Here minus is common, e to the power of upper limit is 3 by 3. Upper limit is 3 by 3 is e to the power of minus 1. Lower limit is 0, e to the power of 0. This is minus, by multiplying minus e to the power of minus 1, minus of e to the power of minus 1 plus 1. This is 1 minus e to the power of minus 1. That is 1 minus, this goes to numerator 1 minus 1 divided by a. Answer is 0.6321. Next, another problem on exponential distribution. The length of the telephone conversation both has been an exponential distribution and found an average to be 5 minutes. Average to be 5 minutes means you have to take mean value is 5 minutes. Find the probability that random call made from this booth. Find the probability that random call made from this booth. First one is ends less than 5 minutes, between 5 and 10 minutes. Ends less than 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, x is less than 5, between 5 and 10 minutes. What is the exponential distribution function? F of x equal to alpha e to the power of minus alpha, x is greater than 0 or which is in the interval 0 to infinity. Here mean is given 1 by alpha. Here 1 by alpha equal to 5. Here alpha is, what is the value of alpha? 1 by 5. In place of f of x is alpha, that is 1 by 5 e to the power of minus x by 5 is the PDF. First one is given as, first one is P of x is less than 5. P of x is less than 5 means we have to take, less than 5 means we have to take limit is 0 to 5 f of x. Here f of x is, what is f of x? 1 by 5 e to the power of minus x by 5 dx. That is, here minus is, by integrating, what is 1 by 5 is constant, integration of e to the power of minus x by 5 is minus e to the power of minus x by 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 5. Here 5 get cancelled, what is remaining? Minus e to the power of minus x by 5 interval is 0 to 5. Here upper limit is 5, that is e to the power of minus 5 divided by 5 is e to the power of minus 1, minus e to the power of 0 is 1, that is minus of e to the power of minus 1 minus e to the power of 0. This is minus e to the power of minus 1 plus e to the power of 0, that is 1 minus 1 divided by e. 1 minus 1 divided by e is 0.6321. What is second one given? Second one is P of lies between 5 to 10, that is 5 to 10 f of x. Here what is f of x? 1 by 5 e to the power of minus x by 5 dx. Here again by cancelling the 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, that is by integrating e to the power of minus x by 5 with respect to x, e to the power of x by minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. This one get cancelled, what is remaining? Minus e to the power of minus x by 5 interval is 5 by 10. Here minus is common means what is the upper limit? E to the power of minus 10 by 5 minus e to the power of minus 5 by 5. This is e to 5 1 is 5 2 is e to the power of minus 2, 5 get cancelled. What is the answer? E to the power of minus 1. Here this can be written as 1 by e square minus 1 by e. By multiplying minus, this is plus 1 by e minus 1 by e square. Answer is 0.2325. Next, last problem for exponential distribution. What is the exponential to? In a certain term, the derivation of this shower is exponentially distributed with mean is 5 minutes. What is the probability that a shower will last for? Again here, in a certain term, the deviation of a shower is exponential distributed with mean 5 minutes. What is the probability that shower will last for? 10 minutes or more. 10 minutes or more means x is less than or equal to 10. less than 10 minutes, that is x is less than 10. Next, between 10 9, that is between 10 9 12 minutes, that's why we have to take 10 is less than x is less than 12. The PDF of the exponential distribution is given by f of x equal to alpha e to the power of minus alpha x. Alpha is 1 by 5, the mean is 1 by alpha. 1 by alpha which is equal to 5, alpha equal to 1 by 5. F of x which is equal to 1 by 5 e to the power of minus x by 5. P of x is greater than or equal to 10, because P of x is greater than or equal to 10 means you have to take up to infinity, that is 10 goes to 10 to infinity, that is 1 by 5 e to the power of minus x by 5 dx. Here 1 by 5, take it outside. What is the integration of e to the power of minus x by 5? That is e to the power of minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. Interval is 0 to infinity. Here 5 get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus of e to the power of minus of e to the power of minus x by 5, minus x by 5. Interval is 10 to infinity. Again, upper limit is e to the power of minus infinity minus e to the power of minus 10 by 5. This one is e to the power of minus infinity 0, 5 5 2 minus of e to the power of minus 2, minus into minus plus e to the power of minus 2. E to the power of minus 2 value is 0.1353. Next, again second one is p of x is less than 0. P of x, what is second one? X is less than 10. P of x is less than 10 means you have to take 0 to 10. 1 by 5 f of 1 by 5 e to the power of minus x by 5 dx. Again, by integrating this one, 1 by 5 minus divided by minus 1 by 5 get cancelled. What is the remaining? Minus of e to the power of minus x by 5, 0 to 10, 0 to 10. Again, see here, p of x is less than 10 means you have to take upper limit is minus 10 by 5 means e to the power of minus 2, lower limit is minus of e to the power of 0. Next, this one e to the power of 0 is 1, minus 1 2 minus, that is 1 minus e to the power of minus 2. The answer is 0.8647. Third one is p of x, 10 less than x less than 12, which is equal to 10 to 12, 1 by 5 e to the power of minus x by 5 dx. Next, this is minus e to the power of minus x by 5, interval is 10 to 12. Again, this is minus of e to the power of 12 by 5, 12 by 5 minus e to the power of 10 by 5, 5 1 5 2. This is e to the power of 12 by 5 minus e to the power of 2. By calculating this, the answer is 0.0446. This is the required answer. This is the completion of exponential distribution. Thank you.